Very, very nice. Tastes real good.
Right.
Spirulina boost.
The spirulina boost. You know, as you know, spirulina has a lot of benefits.
Alright guys, so right now I'm at Eglinton here at Natural Flavors and we're gonna check out to see what they have on the menu. And we're here with Sophia.
Yeah.
And she's gonna make a juice for us.
Strawberry banana smoothie.
Strawberry banana smoothie?
Yeah.
Alright. Hear that guys? Look at that. One thing I must say guys, this place very clean, spotless. Look at this. Look at this guys.
Okay, first we're gonna have a strawberry banana.
Yeah.
First you put the banana, one banana.
Okay.
That's a medium size. And then this is vanilla powder.
Okay.
And this is protein powder.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, along with almond milk, just a smaller bit. Yeah, and along with the strawberry.
Okay.
So you need at least, if it's a medium size, that's what I'm doing, at least about 7 strawberry, but today I do 8.
Okay.
Yeah? And then you go for the ice.
Oh, so you add just a little bit of ice to it.
Yeah.
See that guys?
Not too much ice. You need more fruits than ice, and just a little bit of water.
Okay.
Along with some cane sugar.
Wow.
That's a sweetener.
Sweetener.
That's cane sugar, or you can use honey as well.
Okay, so you have
Today I want to
options.
use the cane sugar because the banana is sweet and the strawberry is also sweet. So these 2 minutes guys, I'm gonna check if all the fruits are being blended and it's smooth. See how smooth it is?
Yeah.
Flawless.
Yeah, nice. Look at that.
You can even taste.
Yeah.
It's not too sweet and not too so this is the medium, this is a small, and that's the large. You can also have bits like coconut bits, passion, and all these jelly. This is lychee jelly, mango jelly, or even strawberry jelly.
Okay.
So this is the strawberry jelly, which I had some to the bottom.
Yeah. Look at that.
That's 1 portion. I had 2 portions today.
Okay.
So this is the strawberry banana smoothie.
Strawberry banana smoothie. And
So creamy it is.
yeah. And it just
So less ice, more fruit. And if you want me to decorate,
nice. Wow. Look at that guys.
oh, see, luscious
Yeah.
strawberry jelly.
Guys, when you come here, trust me, it's not about cleanness. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Wow.
Also served with a straw.
Yeah. Yes.
You can try it.
Alright, and I will surely try it. Alright guys, so you know, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna tell you guys how it tastes, cause look at it. Natural flavor. Natural flavor, as you can see. It's really good. Taste all the strawberry and the banana. Give it that flavor. Real nice, guys. Good treat. Wow. What kind of flavor you guys have? Like, you have different kind of juice?
Yeah, we have different type of mixtures of drinks. We have detoxifier, carrot, green glow, watermelon, fresh orange juice, orange pineapple, famous red with the beetroot, the ginger, watermelon, all the red fruits, and beetroot and carrot, apple, and we also have power punches like the vitalizer, the spirulina booster, the pump it up, the hard rock, and the soursop. I think we're coming up with the night nurse as well.
What? You hear all those?
Slushies.
See? All those flavor. You gotta come down here and give it a try, cause look at it. Look at this, guys, and trust me, the juice tastes so good.
We are now trying all these syrups, and these are the Irish cream, which I think this one is the best one, along with the coffee syrup.
Yeah.
I will now make you Irish cream.
Okay. All right. You see that, guys? Look at it. Wow. Tastes so good, guys. Yeah, man.
In a iced coffee slush.
Okay.
And it's iced coffee with Irish cream.
Okay.
Okay. Inside we already have the coffee and the ice, along with vanilla powder and a little bit of cream.
Okay.
And along with condensed milk.
Oh.
Preferably if you want almond milk.
Almond milk.
Or condensed milk.
Okay.
And just a shot of the Irish cream.
Irish cream. And this here, what you making? What is this?
Coffee slush.
Coffee slush. You hear that, guys?
Irish cream, coffee slush.
Irish
We
cream.
have different flavors. So this one is the Irish cream.
You're gonna add a little bit of water?
I'm adding a little bit of water.
Okay. Look at that, guys.
A little bit more. This is almond milk.
Yes.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna check it again.
See, as I was saying, cleanliness. Trust me. Wow.
Blend it 2 more minutes, 2 more seconds. Okay. Then this is a small one.
Look at that, guys. Look at that.
You can also try that one.
Alright, guys, so right now I'm gonna try iced coffee slush Irish cream. Look at it. Look where we're at. Natural flavor. You're getting the real thing. Natural thing. Yeah. Nice. Real good. Wow. You can taste the coffee, the Irish cream, and the milk. This is a must try. Wow. Tastes real good, guys. So right here, what you making?
Carrot, beetroot, and a little bit of ginger with apple.
Oh.
1 piece of apple.
This is all natural, nothing added.
Nothing added.
Wow.
All natural juice,
Yes.
natural flavor.
Yeah. Alright guys, so right now I'm at Natural Flavors and I'm here to try out some of these great drinks they have. As you see, some of the natural juice and stuff like that, like the spirulina, they pump it up, and see the hard rock. Guys, so right now I'm talking to the owner and I'm gonna tell me what inspired him to open this store.
Well, for me, you know, it's always a family tradition to engage in some kind of productive enterprise.
Right.
You know, and being Jamaican and you're in Little Jamaica, you naturally it would mean that you'd want to engage into something in the food industry. But when you look at the landscape, we look at our history, we look at what we could do different in the community along those lines. So we thought that juices, because we've done juices all our life. My mom grew up making lots of juices. Every time when I go home to visit, introduced to a lot of juices, ginger beers, the carrot juice, you name it.
Yes.
Okra.
Okay.
That's available too, that we infuse in some of the mixes depending on your taste and so on.
And okra is very good, good for you.
To clean your system and so on.
Yes.
So you name it, whatever you want. We also, one of the wonderful feature that we have, you can walk in here.
Yes.
And make your own juice.
Could make your own, just tell, just basically.
If you look at my menu board, there's a section that says make your own juice.
Yes.
So you just tell us what you want inside there, and we just build that for you.
Right.
So you may have your own ideas and thoughts, and say, I would love to have a little spinach in mine, I love to have a little okra, I love to have a ginger, I want to have this, I want to have that. You name it. We can put that together for you and give you your own juice.
Okay.
Yeah. Right, what we have here is a variety of pastries. We do sandwiches, of course, chicken, turkey, tuna, and we're going to be doing mackerel, believe it or not.
Mackerel?
Mackerel wraps. We're going to be doing mackerel wraps, and as well as tuna wraps and so on. We also have bread pudding, we have carrot cake, banana bread. Those are pretty much natural, close to being natural. That we want to get.
Yes.
We will have the good old fruit cake as well. That will come eventually. A lot of persons are asking for that, but we want to keep the whole arrangement as natural as possible, because it's really a healthful food store. Right. But with the variety, although we focus a lot on the juices, you know, the power punch, the spirulina boost,
which is this one right here. Right. Spirulina boost.
The spirulina boost. You know, as you know, spirulina has a lot of benefits. Right. And we find that it's very popular now. Everybody seems to want to get a spirulina boost to go every day. Exactly. You know, avocado, for example, is a very popular one now. Avocado, you know, we grew up knowing that pure, you just cut it and you eat it.
Yeah, that's how I know it as. I never know it as a smoothie or anything.
Right, so now you can infuse that with any of the fruits. Right. You know, with a banana, avocado, it's lovely, oat spine, you name it. Wow. You just put that in there and it's a lovely energy giver and a lovely cleanser as well.
How long since you guys open up down here?
Well, we are in our third week.
No, we're in April.
We're in April.
So you guys are okay.
Yeah, we just opened just ahead of the summer, because we know at times persons are looking for juice options.
Which is right, yeah. What make your store stand out more than those juice store that you have down here, or those store?
Well, I would say we're new, for sure. As you can see, the place is extremely clean. We spend a lot of time ensuring that we keep it very clean and speak and span, as they would say. Right. Because of course, once you come in and you know that persons are going to be making stuff for you from scratch. Yes. You want to ensure that we're clean. You look at, you look around. You've been inside there, and you see our procedure in terms of ensuring that the things are done the way they should, based above best practice. You know what I mean? Plus the staff, they spend a lot of time ensuring that the customer is well served.
Yes.
You know, the price here is right. We don't go overboard with our prices. And as I said, there's the opportunity for you to make your own juice. And I think not very many places around will give you that option to create your own juice in a juice bar.
That's right. That's right.
So the flexibility and the care for customer and the sensitivity about what their needs are. Persons who, for example, you know, they're vegan or you know, lactose. Yes. We have taken that into consideration as well. So we'll ask them the question, do you take milk? You know, we use alternative milk like almond milk and so on to make the product. So we're taking into consideration the needs and desires of our customers, and I think that's important for the success of any business when you listen to your customers, and that's what we do most about here.
Okay. For all those who's watching out there and they're interested and they want to check out some of your stuff online, where can they go and find you?
Well, for now you can check us on Instagram, and we are at Natural Flavors Juice Bar. Yes. And you know, check us out.
And then the address where we at right now?
We are located at 1657 Eglinton Avenue West, and you can email us or call us at Natural Flavors, and it's spelled natural, and flavors is spelled FLAVAS 1657 at gmail.com. So let's go again. It's Natural Flavors 1657 at gmail.com. That's the email address. Yes. And then they can call us for your orders. Very soon we're going to be going on Ubers and Skip very soon. Very soon. Yes. So, but you could call us at 416-780-1373.
Okay.
One of the other things that we didn't mention is the saltfish fritters. That is a staple in the Jamaican community. Yes. So for those persons who have had their saltfish fritters in a long time, they can get it right here.
All right. Nice. And what would you want to say to your to everyone out there watching across the world?
All right. I just want to encourage them to come down and support Natural Flavors. As we say, we have all the flavors that you can think of. Very rare you'd find a store with all the flavors that you want, and if we don't have it, we'll get it for you shortly. All right. So I mean, the soursop is something that you don't see every day. Right. But we have it here. Okay. You can come down. For those persons who used to have the soursop on a Sunday. Yeah. You can come and have it every day. All right. All right.
So you hear that, guys. So you guys need to come down here and check it out. Natural Flavor at Eglinton West. Yes. And thank you guys for watching. So make sure you guys subscribe and like the channel. And make sure you tell a friend to subscribe. All right. Let's.